Good morning, 8th grade. I'm just going to go through some of your problems today with you. We're going to start on page 348, the surface area of a cube. So our formula that we're going to be using is surface area, that's the SA, is equal to 6 times the edge. So a cube is just like a square, right? So it's like a square with a bunch of other squares all put together. Well, 6 of them. So a surface area of a cube is s squared. So this is really no different than s squared, area of a square. We're just multiplying it by 6 because we have 6 other ones. So it's basically, if you also think about it, it could just be s squared times 6. So we have to figure out what the side, or in this case, they call it the edge, but it's the same as the side. Let's say the side is 4. So we're going to say edge is 4. It's just 6 times 4 squared. So we know PEMDAS. Let's do the parenthesis first. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. And then that is times 6. So if you don't know that off the top of your head, let's work it out. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 96, whatever unit it's in, inches squared. Okay? So pretty easy. Let's take a look over here. This is on 835. This is number 1. So let's say this is, and by the way, this is just adding all these different times together. So all we're going to do is add this side, then add this side. So I like to start with the biggest numbers. I can do it in my head, but we just got to start with the biggest numbers. So 9 and 8 is 17, 18, 19, 20. So drop the 2, or 0, drop the 2, 0, carry the 2. Oh, I can't talk. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 90 seconds. And then let's add up our minutes. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, carry the 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Start with the biggest number and that'll help you a little bit. Okay, so we have 93 minutes and 90 seconds, but we know that there's more than 1 minute in here. 60 seconds is 1 minute. So we're going to take 60 out of that, which leaves us 30 seconds. So this 60, because it's seconds, which is 1 minute, goes whoop back over here, and we add it on to the 93. So 60 seconds is 1 minute, so it's plus 1. So really our answer is 94 minutes. And then how many seconds did we have left over? 30 seconds. All right, let's go on to number 5. 15 is 25% of some number, and we don't know what it is. So we then have to divide. What we're going to do is divide 15. I'll put it up here. 15. Oops. Let me put it down here. 15 divided by 0.25. All right, we don't have anything left over, so let's add a decimal and a couple zeros because we're probably going to need them, because 25 does not go into 15. So we're going to boop, boop, and then boop, boop that over. So now 25 goes into, it does not go into 15, but it goes into 150. And we got to put our new decimal here. So 4 25s go into 100, and then we have another 50, so that's 5 and 6. So 6 times 25 is 150. So 0, 0. Oops, I should have put the 6 here, I'm sorry. 6. And then this becomes another 0. So we can see we're just going to keep having zeros. So it's going to be 0.000. So 15 is 25% of this number, which is, I know it's hard to see, 60. 15 is 25% of 60. Okay, last one we're going to try, but of course you guys can email me if you have any other questions about any other ones. So we have in that little chart, it tells us our base salary is $800. That means, let's say we have a job and our job is to sell something, pens, okay? We're selling pens. So we make $800. If we sell 0 pens, you still make $800. You're probably not going to keep your job very long, but you at least make $800. So you didn't make 0 sales. You made $14,000 in sales. Now, that's not for you. That's for the company. You sold $14,000 for the company. Okay, so the company made $14,000, not you. $14,712, not you. The company that you work for made that. But they say, well, if you sold these, we're going to give you 6% of that profit. So you get a little teeny tiny portion of the $14,712. So we're going to figure out what your little teeny portion is and then add it to your base salary. So our sales were $14,712. We make 6% of that. What's 6% as a decimal, guys? 0.06. I hope you didn't say 0.6. All right, so 2 6s are 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 6, 7. 6 7s are 42. Drop the 2, carry the 4. 4 6s are 24. Plus 4 more is 28. Drop the 8, carry the 2. 6, 7, 8. Then we add our decimals. 1, 2, 1, 2. So our commission is $882.72. That's not all we made. Remember our base salary that we make no matter what? So now we're going to add that down here. 800. So 2, 7, drop our decimal. 2, 8. 8 and 8 is 16. So what we actually made was $1,682.72. Hope that helps, guys. Have a great day.